Hey TCL crew, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to all my newbies. Today we are going to be talking about makeup. I have the brand Beauty Bakerie, which is a black owned makeup company, and I have basically the entire line that I will be reviewing today or unboxing for you guys today. And I'm excited. I've had some of the products for a little while, and then I ordered the rest over time, and I have not used majority of these products yet. So if you want to see what I got from Beauty Bakerie, stay tuned for this video. Alright, so the first thing that I want to show you guys is these cute little beauty blenders in this egg box. So the main, what is it called? Their main brand, as you can tell from the name, is Beauty Bakerie, right? Bakery. What do we bake? We bake sweets, cakes. It's about sweets and treats. So their whole line is pretty much incorporating the kitchen, right? Which I think is really cool, right? So the first product that I'm going to show you guys is these beauty blenders that I bought from them. They are in a cute little egg carton. I thought this was so cute when I got this. A cute little egg carton, because we bake with eggs, right? Get it? Bake with eggs. All right, so these are organic blending eggs, and they are makeup sponges. But this box is too cute, y'all. And as you can see, I did use one. But look at the colors. Look at the colors we get. Let me put this back on the order. All right, so we have the cream, the tan, and the chocolate, y'all. I love this. Love, 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 love. The next product that I'm going to show you guys is this baking oil for the face. Now I have been using this, and I love the way it makes my skin feel very smooth. You can see I have been using it. This is the box it comes in. Baking oil. And the baking tips on the back, how to use. You use this before you put your makeup on. The next thing I want to show you guys is the primer. I haven't opened this yet. So this is called the Butter Hydra Silk Primer. All right, the butter. So this is the butter that smooths your face down before you apply the ingredients to your face, okay? The presentation is everything, and this just screams presentation, you guys. So it has the Butter Hydra Silk Primer with antioxidants. It has the little measuring cup on the side. I think that's too cute. 1 cup, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. Too cute, guys. Okay. Let's see how that feels. You roll it up. Doesn't have a smell. I don't know what it feels like. It feels good, not too oily, not too slippery. It just, let me see. I don't have makeup on, guys. Well, I have like eyebrow and like under here, but no makeup. Face. All right, on my face it feels nice and smooth. I can get with that. All right. So this is cute. So that was the primer. Next, so what do you apply after the primer, guys? After the primer, we have, some people apply foundation first and then concealer. Some people apply concealer and then foundation. Depends on how I feel that day, what I do, but your way is the correct way. However you apply your makeup and it looks good, that's the way you continue to apply your makeup. And switch it up sometimes. It doesn't hurt to switch up your routine. But I didn't show you guys the box. All right, so this is the foundation. The box is ripped. All right, this is the foundation. And this is in the color 329 WN. 329 WN. All right. Inspired by the elegance and minimalistic approach to beauty that Japan is known for, this lightweight vegan foundation is a force to be reckoned with. Rightfully named Instabake, This full coverage formula effortlessly covers anything left in its wake, delivering extraordinary performance. It applies smoothly like a layer of frosting. So, let's see how this looks. All right. All right, so you know when you first get something, you gotta keep pumping until it comes out. All right, it came out extremely liquidy, so maybe I should have shook it up first before I pumped it. But let's see, we're not gonna waste this. Let's see how that's looking. So far, it's looking kind of light. I don't know. Let me shake this up. All right, let's see if it still come out liquidy. Okay, it comes out kind of runny, so let's see. It comes out really runny, so beware that you don't even need to press down all the way, just slightly, and it starts to come out. So let's see if I can blend this in and see if it matches my skin tone or if I need to go darker. I don't know, y'all. Let me know. Is this too light for me or do I need to go darker? I think I need to go darker. If I had a beauty blender, it probably would blend a little bit better, but I probably could go a little bit darker. Let me know, guys. Do I need to go darker? Can I work with this? Well, we're gonna work with it because I bought it, but I could always mix a darker foundation in. But for the next time, I can go a shade darker, I believe. And try that out. But I like how it blends. I like how it feels good. It feels moisturizing. So definitely be giving this a try. Oh, I didn't open the box for you guys. This is so cute. It opens and it has a little, it's so cute. Let me put this back in there. All right, yeah. So that's really cute. So after your foundation, we do concealer. So I bought 2 concealers. I bought the Butter Back Off in a 10 and the Sodium Cute in a 9. Let's show you these. All right, let me open them. And this is 3-in-1 full coverage concealer. It smooths, it conceals, and it contours. So that is why I bought 2, because I'm going to be using one as a contour and the other one as just the regular concealer. So let's open this and see. This is the 9 in Sodium Cute that we're going to do first. All right, so this is how the 9 is looking. Let's open this and see how this looks. So the 9 I bought, I believe, to use as a concealer. So let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we get a little bit closer so you guys can see that. So that was the 9. And now the 10 in Butter Back Off. Let's see how that looks. The 10 is a little shade darker. I could have even went a little bit darker. You see the difference in that color? So I essentially could have bought the 10, which is the one I just applied, and then the next level after the 10 to go a little bit darker. All right, let me get this off. I'm gonna be looking crazy. I should have brought my beauty blender over here, but I had to clean my makeup brushes, guys. Let me know how many of y'all have to clean your makeup brushes. I have to do better with cleaning my makeup brushes. That's one thing I have to work on, is cleaning my makeup brushes. After concealer, what do we apply, ladies? Well, not all that extra stuff, just the simple steps, okay? Setting powder, okay? So I got two setting powders. I have the, let's see, what is this called? Cassava yellow, and then the oat translucent. So I got one translucent powder and then one yellow powder. So let's look at the translucent first. So this is the little bag it came in. So cute. Flour. This is the flour for the cake, guys. Better, not bitter. For a natural look, for a natural looking baked beat, try our flour setting powder. Great for setting makeup or baking, of course. All right. This is really cute. Better, not bitter. Beauty Bakerie flour. All right, and this is the translucent, I believe. Yep, the oat translucent. I'm not gonna dump out a bunch. You can see this is the translucent. And then the yellow cassava. Put down here a little bit. See the difference in that? So this is the translucent powder, and this is the cassava yellow. You can see a much more difference. Right? Translucent cassava yellow. All right, so we got the flour for the cake. So we are baking. So cute. All right, so next, after we use our setting powder, we are finished baking. What do we use? We use some baking spray. All right, so Sweet Grace baking spray, the prayer of a sweets lover. Now I lay my brush to beat. I pray this sleigh is one to keep. I put my trust in you, Grace, to help me keep my cake face. Pray then slay. Yes, y'all. Yes. Okay. I gotta read that again for y'all, but let me show y'all this bottle. Always spray your Sweet Grace baking spray. Love that. Let me read it again for the one time. Let me read it again for the people in the back. Now I lay my brush to beat. I pray this sleigh is one to keep. I put my trust in you, Grace, to help me keep my cake face. Pray then slay. Okay. Makeup setting mist. That is what this is. The baking spray makeup setting mist. And I actually have two because when I ordered it the first time, it came without a spray top. So I let them know, and then they sent me out another one right away, and I got it pretty quickly. And this one came with a spray top. So let's see. Just want to see if it has a smell. It smells really good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells really good. And it sprays like a mist. And you don't have to press down entirely. You just press down slightly. But this smells extremely good, guys. I love this. This is a lip liner. This is the, what color is this? Toasted Marshmallow Lip Liner. Look how this comes, guys. Toasted Marshmallow Lip Liner. Too cute. I love this. So I got my lip liner. And then last but not least, I ordered, it was out of stock when I first wanted it, and I'm so happy that it finally came back into stock. But this is how their boxes come, in this beautiful brown box that says Beauty Bakerie. And then in the box, this is cute. Love, love, love the packaging. All right, so these I'm definitely going to save for my business because yes, I have my own business. I actually have more than one business, okay? Your girl does a lot, okay? My own businesses and brand, okay? So I'm going to save this for my business and show you what I got in this box. comes with this cute little, got the ice cream, and it shows you the best sellers on here. But in the box, I got some, can you guess what this is? Take a guess, take a guess, take a guess. Leave it in the comments. Guess, guess, guess. This one is, let me do the other one first because this one is metallic. Okay, so this one is the matte liquid lipstick. Matte lip whip. And this is the ginger snap. So let's see how this, and it's a matte. Let's see. I am loving that already. I'm not even gonna put on a lot. Ginger snap. Is the camera doing this justice? Because I don't think it is. And it dries really quickly, guys. But it's like a moisturizing dry, not like a dry. But I love the way this color looks. Let me hurry up and wipe it off before it dries, please. And as you can see, unlike other mattes that's hard to take off, this one, I'm just rubbing it with a baby wipe and it's coming off. Other matte lipsticks or lip whips, whatever, that I've used was extremely hard to get off. All right. I don't know if I wiped that all off, but let's go with the next one. So this one is the one that I have wanted for so long. The one that I have wanted for so long, and it was always out of stock. And this is the Lip Whip in the liquid metallic, okay? I am in love with this. Hopefully it looks good on my lips. I don't really like too much dark lip colors because I feel like dark makes my face look dark and I start to look gothic. So I try to always keep like light colors on my face, like light. I try to do my eyebrows a little bit lighter because the dark just makes me look gothic. So hopefully this looks good on my skin. But this is a metallic color. Let's see how this looks. I can put on too much. I like this. Yay or nay, let me know in the comments. But I love this color. I love this. And I'm telling you, I do not like dark colors on my lips, but this. That was the end. Let me make sure I didn't order anything else. That was the end of my Beauty Bakerie unboxing, y'all. I'm so excited to use these products. Be on the lookout for another video showing me actually using the full line of Beauty Bakerie so you can see how this looked on me, how I put this makeup look together. Probably will do a get ready with me so I can show you guys how the line looks on me. But I'm so excited to use this makeup line. I have been waiting so long to use the product and I am so happy that I have purchased. So check them out, y'all. Beauty Bakerie, a Black owned makeup business. Check them out and I'll link their description. I'll link their website in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these Beauty Bakerie products. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave me down a comment and let me know what product you would like to try from Beauty Bakerie. If not all of the products, because why not? Treat yourself if you need some new makeup, because I definitely did. And till the next video,